Guys, I hope everyone's paying attention right now. The market has just gone into a blow off top. The resistance that has not been broken for over a decade on Bitcoin has been broken. And what's about to happen next is going to be mass hysteria and mania, guys. The banana phase is here. I believe we could have started alt season. And here's what I want to talk about with you guys this morning. XRP is up 10%, XLM up 14%. People are just FOMOing in now. People don't want to miss this run. They've been waiting forever, and the market is just going to skyrocket here. I'll give you guys transparency. Our portfolio is up $130,853 in the last 24 hours. Overall, our portfolio is up 56%, plus you need to add another 130,000 to this. So we're about close to 70% on our portfolio. And I think this is just going to astronomically explode from here. So here's what I did this morning, guys, in our future forecast with all of our members. The link is in the description, tradeconfident.io. Enjoy the 25% off discount. Go to the future forecast, guys, and please watch this today on July 11th. I'm going to show you guys a chart. I know everyone's getting really excited right now, but please just hear me out on this video here before you guys go any further. There is a chart that shows that a 36% stock market drop could be coming because of interest rates decreasing. It is the elephant in the room that nobody wants to look at right now because everybody wants to stay bullish. Has everybody just forgotten that Trump has to refinance these trillions of dollars worth of debt by what I'm hearing about September? And you know how he can do that? Crash the stock market, have bonds perform well, and actually decrease the interest rate on that debt? Do you guys know that that's still a play that we could be seeing? Okay, XLM, there's a pattern repeating right now that has repeated on the last two cycles, literally like a cookie cutter that I'll show you guys this morning, that has literally dropped XLM, Stellar, Lumens. It has dropped it 70% the last two cycles from what just happened the last few days. Is that going to repeat, or are we going to fake everyone out and keep going up? You should probably see that data, okay? How I'm managing this risk with these bearish signs, a prophetic dream that I had on Wednesday that I want to share with you guys, and then where I'm placing my final $50,000 in buy limits. I'm actually going to give you guys a downloadable spreadsheet of why I'm doing this, what coins I'm buying, and to give you guys an idea of the bearish scenarios, where's buy limits set up to take advantage of that. I'm going to give you guys probably one of the most accurate, in my opinion, price targets for Bitcoin of where we're going to hit this cycle so you guys can have that price. And I'm actually going to show you guys my full mock-up chart. We spent 3 hours on Grok reasoning, guys, to build this risk management strategy. This alone will help you guys exit the top for your altcoins. And I'm going to show you guys that entire chart, okay? The last phase truly has started, guys, for Bitcoin and altcoins. I'm going to give you guys a quick snapshot overview. We're going to be going over the XLM chart, my buy limits, the breakdown of Bitcoin, the market cap of BTC.D, what's coming, the M2 money supply, the chart that says we could drop 40%, interest rate showing a 36% drop, where the parabolic move is going to take over, where Bitcoin's going to explode because of USD.T, price targets, the parabolic move coming next that we have called, and the full exiting strategy that I'm going to show all that to you guys in the future forecast today. Do not miss this, guys. I know people are excited. I still have buy limits set up, but I do believe the best is yet to come. I will give you guys, and I'm working on full risk management strategies to get you guys out of cryptocurrency at peak prices. I'm looking over to my right-hand side over here. Next week on Tuesday, we're going over tax software, how to estimate your taxes. Friday, we're going to go over individual scaling out charts for exact exit points on XRP, XLM, Solana, Cardano, and SHIB. That's next week in the future forecast. Today, I'm going to get you guys prepared of how to get your money situated in the market today so you can actually take advantage of that. Okay, and at the end of this, we're actually going to go into what I call a prophetic session where, honestly, guys, I wait and I ask the Lord if he has anything to share with us, and I release some prophetic words here over people in the membership that I feel like I just wanted to release there. And guys, I don't do them on YouTube. I know some people do. I run a boutique membership here, guys, for people, and I just release them in here, and that's how I feel like I do it most. Do it best, and that's what I enjoy doing. So I don't have time to release all this on YouTube, to be honest with you guys. I'm going straight into research right now for the next future forecast for you guys. But this market is screaming up. Watch this, guys. Watch as we enter the final stage of where prices could go, but please be cognizant of the 40% drop we could still see on altcoins. I know you don't want to look at it. Please look at it under the future forecast this morning, and I'll continue to guide you guys as we look at the portfolio one last time. Currently at $569,984 on the portfolio, and we've already taken out $130,000, so we are up almost $700,000 this year in the portfolio, which is pretty awesome. All right, guys, follow the future forecast. I'll show you every single buy and sell that I'm making, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.